Waytrain's fully automatic series of bandsaws are the very latest in simple, easy-to-operate design, but also offer many features not found even on more expensive machines from other manufacturers.
There are 5 separate automatic machines available from Waytrain. The 3 top-of-the-line machines in the Lexus Pivot series and also the 2 WG double-column series machines. The 460NC is at the top of the LX series and has a whole range of special features.
The structure of these machines uses the highly rigid FCD50 steel in the vices. This combines with an advanced gear transmission system which enhances torque output by 30%. The first thing that you notice about the machine is the cymbal control system, which is designed to CE standards and in accordance with ISO 9001 quality procedures. This simple control interface makes setting up the machine very easy indeed. You just input the length and quantity of material to be cut, set the blade speed and cut rate, clamp the material into the vise, and then off you go. This system also allows you to save 10 jobs, which can be called up, tweaked, and reused at any time. The fault detection system is another special feature of this machine.
Its conversational interface ensures that the operator is clearly informed of faults and also the required remedial actions to keep your production running as smoothly as possible. Additionally, if there is no material in the vise, the cutting is finished, or if the operator has left the machine unattended for 10 minutes, this series will auto shut off to ensure safety and also reduce electrical running costs. Blade safety features also ensure that if the blade tension is insufficient or a breakage occurs, the machine will also immediately stop. If vice clamping pressure is insufficient, the machine will also show a fault on the control panel to make the operator aware. Over 10 different languages are built in, which allow the machine to be easily used in different regions or countries. With the linear feeder installed on this model, you can set it for automatic feed and the machine passes the material along, making perfect repeated cuts for the desired number of pieces, all measured by the precision linear encoder. The special hydraulic system circuit design on this unit ensures jerk-free operation, especially in the lowering and raising of the saw, which improves accuracy and safety overall. The blade slows down when not cutting and then speeds up again for each cut. This can prolong blade service life and increase cutting efficiency by up to 30%.
The LX460NC is a part of the latest and most full-featured range of fully automatic bandsaws from Waytrain. These bandsaws offer a cost-effective, efficient and easily operated choice for workshops and factory, whilst providing the fullest possible set of operational and safety features available.